Hello there, third graders. It's Miss Hess here. How's everybody doing out there? I bet you're doing good. It's almost summer. Almost time for vacation. So, in honor of summer vacations, I have a story very much related to this topic. All right? So, our story today is See You Next Year, and it's by Andrew Larson and Todd Stewart. I'm going to put on my glasses so I can see the words better. Okay, here we go. See you next year. Every year we take the same roads. We pass through the same towns. We arrive at the same beach. Beautiful illustrations, isn't it? Very colorful, you'll see as we go through. Every year we stay at the same place. I call it our cottage, but it's not really a cottage. It's a motel. Okay, you can see that it says Tall Pines Motel. We always come on a Saturday. We always stay for a week. We've been coming to the same place every summer since I was little. Nothing changes. That's why I like it. Maybe you can be thinking about what kinds of traditions maybe your family does that happen every year. Maybe it's not summer vacation because we're military families, so we travel a lot. So, this kind of situation is maybe more like people who live in the States, but maybe not. But what kind of traditions does your family do that are repetitive? That means happen again and again. On Sunday morning, I wake up early so I can watch the tractor on the beach. The tractor goes round and around, pulling a beach raker, leaving a swirly design. Then the seagulls come. They walk on the freshly raked sand. Sometimes they mess it all up. They hang around until the people arrive with their coolers and their towels and all their beach stuff. Then they go. It's not long before the beach is a sea of umbrellas. You can hardly see the swirls or the sand. I hope to go to the beach this summer somewhere. How about you guys? Fun to swim and enjoy the ocean. This year I made a new friend. He taught me how to swim. Well, sort of. He showed me how to hold my nose and dive under the waves. The water isn't deep at the beach. I can touch the bottom, but I still wear my life jacket. That's good. We have to be safe during the summer, right? As we're doing all our outdoor activities. Good to be safe. Late in the afternoon, everyone packs up their beach stuff and their towels and their coolers. They take down their umbrellas. Everyone moves slowly. They leave the beach as the gulls return. It's the same every day. Why do you think people move slowly at the end of the day on the beach? Yeah, right? I'm hearing lots of ideas out there. 'Cause you've been in the sun all day, 'cause you've been swimming all day. Yeah, been active, right? So that's why they just move super slowly when they leave. On Monday night, we all go to the bandstand in town. A marching band plays on stage while we sit on the grass and listen. Some kids march. Some dance. Some of the old people fall asleep. A bulldog barks when the lady in the marching band crashes the cymbals. Crash, crash, crash. Fun. On Tuesday it's foggy. I can't see the water, but I can hear the waves. I can't see the tractor. I can't see the gulls. No one comes to the beach with their umbrellas or their coolers or their towels. I go to my friend's room to see what he's doing. He's writing postcards. He asks if I want to write one too. He offers me a postcard and a pen. The postcard has a picture of the beach. My friend tells me I can send it to anyone. Anyone! That's always a fun thing to do. It's fun to get a postcard too. On Wednesday, our vacation is half over. I'm half happy and half sad. On Thursday, my new friend and I have nothing to do, so we dig a hole. We want to dig all the way to the center of the earth. We don't quite get there, but we hit water. Then it's time for lunch. I have a question for you. What do you think about that line that says, when he's talking about, when she's talking about her vacation being halfway over, she's half happy and half sad. Why do you think that character's like that? Right? I hearing all your ideas out there. Yeah, a lot of times I know for me, I'm always happy to go on vacation and see new things and experience new things, but I'm always happy to go home too. So that's kind of how it is. On Friday, my holiday is almost over. I get to stay up late. So does my friend. Our parents make a bonfire on the beach. I find the perfect stick for roasting marshmallows. I like mine roasted golden brown. My friend likes his burnt. I'm going to bring my marshmallow stick home so I can keep it for next year. You know what I'm thinking about? S'mores. Oh, yeah, some chocolate and some graham crackers to go with those marshmallows. The sky is full of stars. I see a shooting star. My friend says it's a satellite, so I make a satellite wish. On Saturday morning, we pack the car. It's time to say goodbye. See you next year, says my friend. He's lucky. He gets to stay for an extra day. See you next year, I say back to him. And then we take the same roads through the same towns, and we're back home. It's good to be home. It almost seems like we never left. On Monday, something comes in the mail. It's for me. What do you think it is? Let's find out. See you next year. So her friend sent her a postcard. Isn't that cool? Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last library meeting of this year. I sure have missed seeing you guys in person, and I hope that you're doing well and you have a really nice summer. Don't forget, read every day. If you can read for an hour every day, you will be incredibly smart and ready for the 4th grade next year. If you could do that. Just remember, it's okay to play video games, it's okay to watch TV, it's okay to go out and play and all those things, but we got to work for a little bit of balance, and reading is so important to keep your mind engaged and going. Remember, Mac and Via will be up all summer. You can use your Google account to log in there, check out ebooks, and plus the Clay Library is open too now. Well, not open for browsing, but you can at least get books from there and check out ebooks, right? So don't forget to read. Keep well. I hope to see you next year. And if you're moving, have a good life and do great things. All right, guys. See you later. Bye.